Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to crypto.com. So here's a simple step and a guide, straightforward guide for that. So open the crypto.com app on your mobile, then tap account, then select crypto wallet. So choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, you can pick from the list of the crypto you have there, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum. So now it depends on how you want it. Then tap deposit, then tap copy your crypto.com wallet address for the coin, then open the Robinhood app, then from there tap the account icon, then select transfer, then choose the same crypto from the other wallet, then select the same crypto you choose in the crypto.com, paste the crypto.com wallet address you copied earlier, then enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer, review the details and tap confirm, and your crypto will transfer from Robinhood to your crypto wallet, crypto.com wallet. So the transfer times depends on the blockchain network if you don't see it immediately. So that's how you can easily transfer crypto from Robinhood to crypto.com. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.